Hi friends, it's Julia. Welcome to 31 Days of Scrapbooking in December, where I'm making a layout every day and they are all Christmas themed. Today is day number 26. Woohoo! We are on the final countdown, and today I'm starting off with a 3-photo sketch from Laura Whitaker, and it's for Scrapping Around the Clock blogs at blogspot.com. It's got this hinky triangle stitched on here. I don't think I'm going to mess with that. I'm looking at this portion as well as this portion. So what I have pulled from my stash so far, let me turn this around. I have a couple of sheets of paper. I have this one from Felicity Jane, this one from Cartabella, and this is a scrap from Cartabella as well. I pulled in a title. And it just says Chillin' on Christmas Morning. It's one of those super flat alphabet stickers from that Sticko, where there were 4 sheets in one package. And so, yeah, I'm using them. I bought them. I'm going to use them. They are not my favorite. I have 3 of those plastic flare. Of course, I have my 3 photos, and I have several embellishment pieces here. I have something that I have stamped, something with some blue on it, a couple of ornaments, and then I'll probably have another ornament to go in each cluster. Here, same deal, a couple of things that I have stamped. I have a sticker here, a couple of ornaments, and then a couple of scraps from my stash. Then I fussy cut this scallop border left over from a Felicity Jane paper that I want to use. And I have, for this bottom cluster, I have a little Noel that I stamped out and colored last year. I have another of those embellishment pieces, and I think this is actually supposed to be like a banner shape, but I'm going to flip it over and use it almost as a Christmas tree shape. Couple of ornaments, something that I have previously stamped, as well as something from the stamp set that I added in. I believe it's from Felicity Jane this year. I don't know what stamp set I used to stamp that from, but it's from something that I stamped recently. Anyway, this is my starting point, and I will be back. I will show you a close-up of the photo or of the layout, and I will be back in just a second with the completed layout. So see you in a minute. Okay friends, I'm done with another layout. On this one I have quite a few little embellishments, the vellum ornaments as well as the chipboard ornaments, and I went ahead and I put the blue behind this one. I was going to have the green behind this one, the blue behind this one, and then the silver, so that they would all kind of coordinate some. I have a couple of stamped images that I didn't use, and a couple of the plastic flares that I did not use, and they'll go back into my stash. As far as pattern paper goes, this pattern paper I added. I did not originally have that in, so I added that in, and I cut into both of those. I had pulled, maybe I put it back. I had pulled a border strip, a red one, that scalloped like the Felicity Jane, a red one, and I had fussy cut it, and I was going to use it, and then I changed my mind. So instead I got another scrap of paper and used my Fiskars border punch. It's just the scallop border punch, and I like how it turned out. There's my sketch, and here's my layout. I used quite a few little things in here. I did use these, the clear little gemstones, and I also used some silver thread. I used my title here, Chillin' on Christmas Morning, and then I put December 15 rather than write 2015. I figure Christmas morning kind of does it for you, so you know. And then I put the 25 up here, and you can see I used some washi tape, and I took this piece, this embellishment piece apart. I used the ornament pieces over here, and then I used the background over here, and then that one that had the the candy cane on it. I peeled it off and just used the blue over here along with that little plastic. So you can see, and then I took the puffy stickers off and just glued it flat to the background there. Here I took the puffy adhesive off the back of this, the top embellishment, and just glued it straight down on there, and to give it that Christmas tree look. I figure if I had Christmas tree and ornament here, Christmas tree here, then ornament there, it kind of all tied together. I used a stamped image here, a stamped image here, and then of course here, and you can see the silver metallic thread and then those gemstones. I have a couple down here, and then I have 1, 2, 3 here. I have here 2, or 2, 2, and 1, and then 2, 1, 2. Oh, there should be another one. Oh, there it is, right there. They're clear, so they're kind of hard to see. They give it a dimension, but yeah. I use some washi tape along here and here, and then that's where I use that border piece down here at the bottom. Not exactly like the inspiration, but close enough that it's going to work for me, and I'm going to call it good. So yeah, this is what I created. The rest of my stuff will go back into my stash, and I'll use it for another layout or at another time. Keep it with my scraps. So I'm really pleased with how this one came out, and I'm glad to have another one done and ready for the album. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here, and I will see you again tomorrow for another layout in my 31 days of scrapbooking. And don't forget to stay tuned to the close-ups at the end of the video. And also, don't forget, I posted another secret giveaway. So go back through and look at the videos from the 20th forward and see if you can find it. Make sure you leave a comment there, and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and you will be in the running for a gift box to be coming your way on the 31st of December. Anyway, have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.